All right, here's the car we got, Carmen. So front looks pretty good. Got a little bit of thing here, and here, here. A couple of little minor things here and here. A little bit of scratch. Hello in there.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, don't stand in the seats.
Okay. All right. It's right here. It's just that. We'll get most of this stuff will come out. Imogen, you coming out? You can walk around. Just don't fall through a hole or anything. All right, so we got this here, that's a dinty gouge. Hello. Carm, hit the trunk. Just minor, yeah.
Look, there's a wagon button. You extend a wagon from.
All right, that's okay. All right, let's look at the inside there. There you go. You have the keys. Hit the. Hi, babies. No, that you're good.
That's the hazard lights.
Okay, don't push anything, please. All right, son, leave it alone for a minute, and we'll figure that out in a sec. Okay.
Look at this. Daddy, look, a movie player. The headphones go to there to the movie. Why someone
All right.
stole our call?
So it's not minivan-ish. Imogen.
Emma, sit down.
There's a
Emma,
walk
sit
through.
down.
It's a setup like minivan. You got plenty of room back there, so?
Yeah. Look, I can turn the light.
Yeah, don't touch anything, please, right now. And did you notice this right here? Ethan, would you slide that back?
I can't.
Yes.
Oh, it's locked. All right, hang on. This may be automatic. There we go. You just pinch it. There you go.
This is a lot of trunk room for having a third row.
Yeah.
Mommy,
You like it?
you can't open this because you have to pinch it to open it. Thank you.
Winner.
It was the one I wanted.
Wait a minute, this opens.
All right, so don't do that. Hey, Imogen.
Mommy, look, you have to
So crazy.
I'm leaving it unlocked just in case you do want to grab it.
Great. All right, let me just look under the hood and. Do a quick peek under here. All right. And we'll have everything checked out, but we're just looking for strange smells, anything. Looks okay. All right, let's take a quick look at the undercarriage.